One, two, three, four. Ready to spread your golden wings?
I don't think so.
It's hot. Jesus Christ.
We'll have to wait until we're parked.
Yeah.
Hello. How do you feel?
I feel good.
Good to be back.
Good to be back.
Good to be home, you know? I feel like we haven't been to EPCOT in... When was the last time we went to EPCOT?
I could check. Let's check.
Probably a month, but it feels like a lifetime, you know?
We haven't been to EPCOT since May 30th.
So, over a month.
And now we're going on probably one of the busiest days of the year.
Yeah, and hottest. It's probably 1,010 degrees in the shade.
Yay! It feels good to be back.
Yeah. It is really hot though.
But it's part of it.
Yeah. We had to go home for a week and a half. And now we're back. It's moonshine sour o'clock. Do I look patriotic?
No. It's crazy how different it feels, even though we were like barely gone.
I know. Literally washing my hands in the bathroom, the smell of that soap, I was like,
We are heading...
we're about to keep it 100 on the land.
And he hasn't even had his moonshine sour yet.
No, but...
I think I got cut off. But I don't know. Hopefully it's just there. I'm sweaty. Hold on.
Yeah, America.
What?
Over America.
What?
Soaring over America is what we're doing right now. It's hot.
Perfect.
Great to be back though.
Honestly, this is a good little view with the ball behind you.
That right there, Spaceship Earth.
We're heading into Ride Soarin' because when did that open? What day? Do you know?
Same day as Muppets, so end of May maybe?
So this new version has been open for a while,
Yeah,
and we have not seen it yet.
maybe 2 months.
So
it might
what-
have been early May. I don't remember, but it's been a while.
What better day to go see it?
There is one better day. Probably tomorrow. And I'm proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free.
Yeah, you gotta walk a little faster.
It said 35, but
Yeah,
we'll
it
see about
seems-
that.
Seems pretty long. It's been 15 minutes.
Which is it? Yippee!
My watch is dead. I keep checking it. 6:30. It's been 19 minutes.
I'll take it.
Well, we still have to wait another 10 probably, but at least when you get to this point, it
Feels worse.
tired.
Official semi-quincentennial flight. We'll begin boarding in a few minutes. But first, there's a handsome young devil who'd like to acquaint you with some important safety information. When the doors to your flight open, please take a seat and store all carry-on items in the under-seat compartment. Please hold these.
What?
Should I let the dogs out?
No.
on behalf of our entire flight crew, thanks for soaring with us.
Yippee! What do you think?
I feel like it sounds bad to say the ending was my favorite part.
The EPCOT?
Yeah, I feel like the end, like
The Hollywood sign?
the fireworks were like cool.
I thought it was good.
Tinkerbell looked great.
I think it's better than soaring around the world.
Honestly, I could not tell the difference between anyone really. I mean, besides,
Soaring over California is still the GOAT.
it doesn't really make a difference to me. But the fireworks were cool. The Tinkerbell looked good.
Yeah. Still kind of mid.
And now we can't do anything else.
No, now we can go get a moonshine sour.
No, not if it's pouring out.
I'll brave the storm. For America.
That was an eagle. Insert eagle sound here.
Yep. No, I'm going. I think we should still go to the Grab and Goof. Grab a quick snack.
It smells like poop.
Yeah. Sorry.
Amazing. This sure would be a great time for the monorail to come by.
You thinking what I'm thinking?
Yeah.
She's beautiful.
I thought it was gonna be like a lot busier. I'm actually shocked. That's why I'm just like sitting here like,
Yeah,
why
there's
so dead?
a memo we didn't get, I think.
I think probably the rain, or just everyone's at Magic Kingdom as the thunder rumbles. Anyway, we're on our way to do the most American thing you can do here in EPCOT, at least. Get a moonshine sour.
Sound of the eagle.
Insert eagle sound here. It's so nice out.
I know.
I love it. Feels good to be back. Hopefully you can hear us.
Probably not. We need a mic.
That's next.
There's about 4 people in line for moonshine sours right now. Oops. I've never felt more patriotic.
Does it taste like freedom?
It really does.
I was filming behind the scenes footage.
I can't.
Or
I
this.
just need to know
or
what you were
this.
doing.
Do I look silly? Okay, ready?
Why would I do? The freedom is gone. You want my berries?
No.
Quick limoncello. Nothing like celebrating the 4th of July in Italy. I'm hungry.
Do you want popcorn?
No.
Okay.
8 more minutes.
How many?
8. And then everyone you love dies.
have woven their stories together.
That was crazy. How patriotic do you feel?
So patriotic.
We did so much.
I can't think of a funny
We
thing.
soared across America.
Yeah, that felt like ages ago.
We got a moonshine,
Yep.
and we watched the America fireworks. Happy birthday, America.
Just call me Uncle
Betsy
Sam.
Ross. That works
Yours is
too.
better. Shoot, shoot, shoot.
Martha Washington over here. Coca-Cola. Hello.
Thought you were doing your impression of a hot dog.
Let's go. Watch out. Oh my god, you almost just got Spider-Man.
Oh no, you just saved my life.
I didn't though. You were just starting tall enough. It was like right
I
between
can't
your
even see
ears.
it. Wait.
Not focusing on it, but it's...
But just know
You can
it's
see
big
it.
and it's scary.
Yeah, and it's almost on your freaking head.
My hero.
What can I say? Except you're welcome.
So successful 3rd of July.
Yeah.
Then.
For tomorrow.
Yeah.
I felt so patriotic today, I don't even know what we're gonna do tomorrow. We just go to Hollywood instead. It'll probably be dead.
Or Animal Kingdom.
It'll probably be dead.
Yeah.
I pledge allegiance to Spaceship Earth and to the Republic for which it stands. One nation, under Walt, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
I was gonna say one nation, under ball.
That's good. With liberty and justice for all.
That was good. Got it. With liberty and justice for all.
Amen. This way.
Yeah, yeah.
There goes the Walt Disney World monorail. I'm sweating.
Happy 4th of July! As part of today's celebration, the United States Air Force will present a flyover high in the skies above the Magic Kingdom and EPCOT.
Bless you. You're welcome.
Day 2, feeling extra patriotic. Today's America's actual birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. I thought you dropped something. Dear America, spread your golden wings. Cut it out. Those wings.
And
Across the skies.
insert eagle noise here.
This really makes me want to spread my golden wings.
It seems pretty dead again.
Yeah, I hope it is as good as it was last night.
We're here for round 2
2 days in a row.
at EPCOT. We just couldn't get enough.
Yep, those fireworks last night blew me away. Gotta see them again.
Just kidding. This is the only park we could get a reservation for, so we're just back. So we'll see what we can do differently tonight.
And I think the
Or the
moonshine
same.
sour was calling my name again, so.
It's the most patriotic thing you can do here. It would really be a disservice to America
Yeah.
and ourselves.
Real slap in the face to America if I don't get another moonshine sour tonight.
All right, let's go. Let's see. Let's go spread our golden wings.
Yeah, let's go celebrate America. Also, everybody look at Michaela's really cool hat. Look at Bumpy's really cool hat.
That's my nickname.
Yep,
Starting now.
it is now.
It's an inside joke.
Yeah,
You wouldn't get it.
neither would we, because we found this hat at a discount store, so.
First things first. Snack time. And then maybe, I don't know. What would be more patriotic than going to ride Figment,
I haven't seen him in a while.
our American sweetheart?
Now it says 15, so.
So no.
See you next time, Figment.
Oh man.
You want to go in?
No. It's
Oh, wait.
no, it's fine. No camera.
No camera, please.
Whoa.
Cheers.
We made it to the America Pavilion. Much busier than yesterday. Didn't get moonshine sours because the line was too long. I got something with moonshine. I'll have to add in what I got because
This is good,
I
but
don't
I'm
even know.
regretting it.
Why?
Because it's tea. We have to throw it in the harbor. Not sure if I got it. I have to do it for America.
That was good.
No, the black tea, pineapple, hard tea. Recommend it.
Mine's like frozen lemonade. or
Cheers to the
something.
British.
Do you want to do the show?
Yeah, we gotta get in there. We got 15 minutes, so we gotta chug and go.
I keep forgetting that I'm wearing a hat that says Bumpy.
Flaunt it.
Like I keep forgetting, and then I'll like think about it, and I'll be like,
It's a nice little giggle. Bumpy.
Thanks.
It's gonna be a bumpy ride.
That's it. I just had to get that off my chest. Time to spread our golden wings.
Yep. Golden wings. Golden wings.
Spread your golden
Incredible.
I don't even know if you can see it.
Did you enjoy spreading your golden wings?
Yes. Did you?
Yeah, I'm hungry. Perfect timing. More American than a Bud Light. that's the end of America. That's it. That's all she wrote. What do you want to say to America? Happy birthday?
America's never said happy birthday to me.
She's busy.
Doing what?
You're right. Alright, we'll see you in 50 years for the 300. God bless America. And God bless Walt Disney World. And God bless moonshine sours. I'm hungry and tired.